Hello everyone, today I want to talk about SonoVive, a revolutionary way to keep your hearing healthy. Did you know that hearing loss is the most common sensory loss in the United States, affecting nearly 40 million people? It is important to take care of your hearing health early to prevent further damage. SonoVive is an innovative device that uses ultrasound technology to stimulate your inner ear and promote healthy hearing. It is a non-invasive and painless way to improve hearing health without the use of hearing aids or other pharmaceutical drugs. How does it work? SonoVive verses high-frequency ultrasound waves to target the inner ear, specifically the auditory cells. These waves are non-invasive and safe, and gently stimulate cells to create new hair cells that can help improve hearing sensitivity. The process is completely natural and takes about 4 weeks to manifest itself. One of the best things about the SonoVive is that it can be used by people of all ages, from children to the elderly. It is the perfect solution for those who want to improve their hearing without the hassle of traditional listening procedures. Plus, it's a one-time investment, which means you won't have to worry about frequent maintenance or medical appointments. In conclusion, SonoVive is a game-changer for maintaining healthy hearing. It is a non-invasive, painless method that can help improve hearing sensitivity in people of all ages. Try it and experience the difference for yourself.